This is my Disney Springs outfit. I'm wearing my cardigan I got from Disney store with the plush appliques on it. My plaid Mickey head, my Stoney Clover shirt that is super long, so it's like down here. And then my snowman ears. So cute. So we're going to go to Disney Springs. I'm so excited to go eat at Earl of Sandwich to get my favorite sandwich. Today we are going to Epcot, so I am wearing my Three Caballeros bag, my shirt, and my Three Caballeros ears from the Disney 100 collection. I have not worn these, and I'm wearing my Three Caballeros earring. You can't really tell, but we're gonna go to Epcot, see what we can get into. We do have park hopper tickets, so I don't know if we're gonna go somewhere else, but we'll see.
And this is Stoney. I don't know who it was waiting. The concert is tonight.
It is day 2 here in Disney. We are going to Animal Kingdom. I am wearing my same outfit I wore last year, which is my Lion King shirt with my Lion King ears and then my Lion King earrings. And then I just have on my Stoney Clover Lane fanny pack, and I have this dress from Tori, one of my favorite dresses. It's underneath, and I just tied the shirt around it. So we're going to go, and hopefully we can get on Flight of Passage today. That's like the one big ride we want to ride. We'll see how it goes. I'll probably share some clips throughout the day on this video.
One way we can help out our little monkey friends is just by recycling. They live where there's a lot of trees. So recycling your paper products helps with you.
The issue starts when you mix male and female. That's when they cannot be, they become more. Comercial, ¿no? Donde empiezan a
sure you stop when you reach the end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Better than watching from the wall.
Oh, heck.
Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Hollywood Studios. I am wearing my ears from World of Imagineers, and I am wearing my earrings that are also Toy Story. I didn't wear this outfit in Disneyland, so I'm excited to wear it here. I have my Slinky Dog shirt and then my Stoney Clover Toy Story camera bag. So we're gonna go and try to get to Slinky Dog. Hopefully we can ride it. We'll see. Good morning, everyone. It is our last day in Disney. We are getting ready to go to Crystal Palace. So I'm wearing my Winnie the Pooh look. I did get this little Ugg bag at lug bag at Epcot, so it's super cute. And then I have my Big Pooh plush purse. So we're on our way to Crystal Palace, which is my first time. I'm super excited to meet Pooh and friends.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here it comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything